Hello guys, welcome back with me. So my activity now, clean my laptop. So because very dusty, yeah, you can see there the keyboard. What dirt, so dusty and teeth fat, and yeah, after this clean laptop I will fix my bed because very messy, and I will continue my final project that creating book about UI UX, or continue UI application. Why my laptop so dusty? And yeah, I create book 200 sheet, and the font size is 11, and yeah. I don't know. I talking about yeah, the November will the end, and the 2025 will end one month again. Yeah, keep strong, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.